Welcome back to Cardano Trading, everybody. Just a quick update here on what's going on in the market today. As you can see here on the 1 hour chart, we have a bit of a downtrend happening. However, it is okay. That is just a bit of consolidation. As you can see here on the 4 hour, this area right here is the consolidation zone. After it makes the consolidation, it does make a quick recovery, goes back into consolidation, and then we do have a breakout after. So guys, if you do want to take this trade, now would be a great ample opportunity to do so. However, I'm not a financial expert or a financial advisor by any means, so this can go to zero. But guys, if you do want to learn how to make money every single day in the crypto market, all you got to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, give us a like, comment, and if you want to learn even more on how to make money in the crypto market every single day, we do provide one-on-one coaching and training and feedback. If you do want to take that opportunity, just click the link in the bio and click our cryptocurrency course where we can teach you crypto every day. Like always, guys, thank you very much for watching the videos and happy trading.